Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to do the moss stitch. Let's get started. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches for your project. Insert the hook into the fourth chain from the hook. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Yarn over, and pull through both loops to complete a single crochet. Chain 1 to complete the first moss stitch cluster. Skip the next chain. Insert your hook into the following chain. Make another single crochet. Then chain 1 to complete the second moss stitch cluster. Now, let me demonstrate this pattern a few more times. Watch closely as I repeat the process. Great! We've now completed the first row of moss stitches. To start the second row, chain 2 and turn your work. Skip the first stitch, and insert your hook into the hole below the next stitch. Make a single crochet in this space. Then chain 1 to complete the moss stitch. Let's continue this pattern across the row. I'll demonstrate a few more times. Keep repeating this pattern until you reach the end of the second row. Congratulations! You've mastered the moss stitch technique. Continue alternating these two rows to create your moss stitch project.